Hey everybody, today we're going to do a how-to on making a door pattern for your car. So let's go. Alright, the first thing you need to do is clean off the window. Make sure no hard contaminants are on the outside of the window so it doesn't mess up the film. Get the window wet and place your film on the glass. I personally like to line up the bottom edge of the film. You could overlap it and cut your own bottom edge. Some windows are curved, some are straight. The BMW is really straight, so I'll line it up. And then I'm going to cut the front. The front's your first cut. And what you're going to do is slide it over. The windows have a lot of room side to side to put film behind the rubber. So I cut that big, and then I cut the back side. Tear that off, and then I equal out the overlap. That way the pattern's going to be big. And we're going to tack it down so that it doesn't move when you roll the window down to cut your top edge. So we're going to lift up the bottom part of the film and slowly roll down the window to expose the upper edge. I personally like to get the soapy water on the film and squeegee it down tight to the glass and get it wet. That way your blade kind of slides a little bit better. Always working away from the mirror so that you don't get hung up and hit the mirror and have a jagged top edge. And just run your blade across the top. From here you take your pattern to the glass, clean up the edges, and get ready to install. Here's the film on the cutting glass. I can freehand these after so many years, of course. Just take it straight up, round off your corners. You don't want any pointy corners anywhere. Just take a little edge off the corners there, that way it doesn't snag. Come straight down, round up your top back corner of the pattern. Take a little bit off that bottom corner, and this is ready for installation. Thanks for watching today's demonstration. There's going to be more to come. If you have any ideas, let us know, and we'll be happy to film that for you as well. Thank you.